Today, I want to share with you an experiment I did in my backyard. I buried coffee grounds around my tomato plants every day, and I recorded what happened over 30 days. It all started with preparing the soil. I chose a sunny spot in my garden where the tomatoes would get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. I cleared the area of weeds, rocks, and debris, making sure the ground was loose and easy to work with. Then, I enriched the soil with compost and a little bit of sand to improve drainage because tomatoes need soil that retains moisture but doesn't get waterlogged. Once the soil was ready, I planted young tomato seedlings. I dug small holes about 40 centimeters apart, deep enough to cover the roots comfortably but not too deep to stress the plant. After planting each seedling, I gently pressed the soil around the base and gave them their first watering, making sure the water reached the roots thoroughly. This initial care is critical for helping the plants establish quickly and grow strong. Now comes the unique part of my experiment. Every day, I collected used coffee grounds from my kitchen and lightly buried them around the base of each tomato plant. I made sure to keep the coffee grounds a few centimeters away from the stem to prevent any burning or over-acidity that could harm the plant. The idea was to use coffee grounds as a natural fertilizer. Coffee is rich in nitrogen, which is essential for leafy growth, and it also contains small amounts of phosphorus and potassium, which supports strong roots and healthy fruits. Over the first week, I noticed that the soil stayed slightly more moist compared to areas without coffee grounds. Tomatoes love consistent moisture, and the coffee grounds helped prevent the soil from drying out too quickly under the hot sun. By the second week, the seedlings started to look greener and more vigorous. The leaves were deeper in color, and the stems seemed sturdier. I also noticed a slight increase in earthworm activity in the soil, which is always a good sign. Earthworms help aerate the soil and turn organic material, like coffee grounds, into natural fertilizer for the plants. As the days went by, I continued this daily ritual. I was careful not to add too many coffee grounds, just a thin layer each day. Over time, the plants grew taller and developed more branches, with clusters of flower buds forming. Around the third week, flowers started to bloom, and the garden smelled faintly of coffee mixed with the fresh scent of tomato leaves. I gently pollinated some flowers with a small brush to ensure fruit set, though nature took care of most of it with bees and wind. By the fourth week, the tiny green tomatoes were forming where the flowers had been. The difference was noticeable compared to a control group I planted without coffee grounds. The coffee-treated plants seemed healthier and more productive. The leaves remained vibrant, the stems strong, and there were fewer signs of nutrient deficiencies or stress. Finally, after about 30 days of daily coffee ground applications, the first tomatoes were ready to harvest. They were firm, evenly shaped, and tasted deliciously fresh. The plants had produced more fruit than I expected for such a short period, and I was amazed at how a simple kitchen waste like coffee grounds could make such a difference. In conclusion, this experiment taught me that coffee grounds can be a valuable addition to small-scale tomato gardening. They improve soil fertility, help retain moisture, and promote vigorous plant growth when used carefully. Of course, moderation is key. Too much coffee can make the soil too acidic, but with consistent small applications, the results are impressive. If you're looking for an easy, natural way to boost your tomato plants and reduce kitchen waste, burying coffee grounds around your tomatoes every day is definitely worth trying.